With the wilt of the rose, I slept all alone.
So can we just stay a while?
You still wouldn't go. Let's fast forward to 300 takeout coffees later. I see your profile and your smile on unsuspecting waiters. You dream of my mouth before it called you a lying traitor. You search in every maiden's bed for something greater. Baby, was it over when she laid down on your couch? Was it over when he unbuttoned my blouse? Come here, I whispered in your ear in your dream as you passed out. Baby, was it over then? Is it over now?
I'm afraid of what isn't what it takes. But what we're made of, you cut it, but it never breaks. It's stronger and harder than lightning and thunder. And this is all we got.
And is it over now? When you lost control. Red blood, white snow. Blue dress on a bow. New girl is my clone. And if you think I didn't see they were flashing lights, at least I had the decency to keep my nights out of sight. Only rumors about my hips and thighs and my whispered sighs. Oh Lord, I think about jumping off a fairy tale something just to see you come running and say the one thing I've been wanting, but no.
Now we're fine. We'll never ever be the same. Fate is calling. It's turning, burning in my veins. It's stronger and harder than lightning and thunder. And this is only just beginning.
Was it over when she laid down on your couch? Was it over when he unbuttoned my blouse? Come here, I whispered in your ear in your dream as you passed out. Baby, was it over then?